What is up, guys? Technology Tetrix here, and I'm just gonna start off by saying something really cool came in the mail today. Really cool. Now, I don't know if this is gonna be badass or just pure scary because of its power, but check this out. Class 3 white laser. That's right, white laser. I believe it's 2 watts. I'm not sure. But I already did some pre-work before, after I opened it. This is for a fan. I stripped that down, and the power was a different connector, so I just stripped off the wires. I haven't powered it up yet, but I'm very, very curious to see what this. Look at that little fan. That's so cool. Okay. Let's see. Is it like a little lip? Oh, it is. I wonder if you can. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. There you go. You have your 3 individual diodes to make white, your mirrors, and your lenses. Dude, this is immaculate. Ooh, okay, let's fire this up. Let's get going. Enough talk. That. There we go. Alright. I got a adjustable DC power supply here. Should already be there. No. I was using this on a different laser. I got a little green 200 milliwatt. Pretty cool. Alright, pause it first. Oh, look at that. There we have it. Right here. Let's check that out. We have red, yellow, green. It's like right there. Camera can't really pick it up. And we have white. From white, we have like a purplish blue. This is really cool. Really cool. Man. Ooh, you can feel the heat coming off that. It's nothing to burn the wall, but wow. Wow, ow. That, that was kind of syringing my finger there. Man. This is really, really freaking cool. I don't know if this is simply badass or if this is a weapon. Ooh, color changing. Let me defeat you with my color changing laser. Okay. Stupid. Oh, fan's kicking on. Look at that. Already having to cool the laser. Wow. That is really cool. I just thought I'd show you guys this. Cool tech.